brand identity for Grant Martin and Associates highlights their expertise and leadership in recruitment for the automotive and related industries. The design reflects professionalism and trust, with a modern, corporate aesthetic. The logo, colors, and typography were crafted to emphasize their reputation and commitment to connecting businesses with top talent, reinforcing their position as a trusted partner in the recruitment industry. The branding designs, which are currently in progress and include placeholder text for demonstration purposes. We will incorporate all necessary information and adjustments based on the client's specific requirements to ensure the designs align perfectly with their vision. Once all details are finalized, the demo text will be replaced, and the branding materials will be tailored to meet the client's needs and expectations. Contact us today and learn more about how Goalbridge Consulting can assist your business. Let us be the bridge to your business goals. You have everything to gain, and our satisfaction guarantee ensures that.